Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get student discount on ASUS laptop. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up a particular browser and then type in ASUS Education Store. Now, as soon as you've done that, you will be able to find this kind of interface. Now you will find this option of Education Store, ASUS eShop special offers. Like, this is especially for the student. You can go for that, or ASUS for education as well. Now we will navigate to the Education Store, because there we will be get a designated store for us to get discount. Now right over here, you simply have to, you can see apply section right over here. If you are a student, teacher, or faculty staff, please fill in the application form for ASUS Education Store below. We're gonna go to section of apply. We're gonna be filling the form up. Once you have filled the form up, we will get a designated store where we will be able to get a particular by some percentage discount that it will be mentioned right afterwards for us to get the discount from that particular shop for the ASUS laptop. All you gotta do is get your login details and application detail, go over there, present it, and get the ASUS discount for your laptop and purchase it. That's basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.